Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. So today I am so excited because I'm going to be creating a holiday look for you guys. The holidays are my favorite, absolute favorite time of the year. I love Thanksgiving. I love Christmas. I love presents. I love spending time with my family, and I love to eat. Holla at me if you love to eat, because I eat like I'm crazy, all right? So I'm so excited because I'm going to be creating this holiday look using the TGIN Miracle Repair RX line. I am so excited about this line. I use this line so much because it not only repairs your hair and revives your damaged hair, but it also moisturizes. So it's perfect for the winter time when our hair is brittle and breaking. For those of you whose hair gets really, really dry during the winter time, this line has you covered. It is absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you want to see how I create this holiday look, then stay tuned. So guys, I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I use the Miracle Repair RX Strengthening Shampoo. Love this stuff. Not only does it smell like a salon, it's so light and fresh. So those of you who are sensitive to smell, this line is for you, honey. The smell is so light, so refreshing that it's not going to bother you. I also deep condition my hair with the Miracle Repair RX CPR treatment. CPR stands for Curl Protein Reconstructor. So this stuff is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna take a little bit off the top because you don't need a lot. This is a nice thick, creamy consistency, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my hair. This stuff has amazing slip, so a little goes a long way. Follow up with the Miracle Repair RX Protective Leave-In Conditioner, and let me tell you guys, this stuff is bomb.com. It is a nice creamy consistency. Oh my god, I love this stuff. It is thick, but it penetrates the hair shaft so well, and what we all love in a good leave-in is it detangles like a dream. So I literally just work this into my hair. Oh guys, and the smell of this entire line is just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. Smells. Because I'm going to be using a little bit of heat on my hair, I'm going to go in with the Miracle Repair RX Anti-Breakage Serum. Now this serum is also infused with olive oil and coconut oil, which are natural heat protectants. So I'm going to use this along with my blow dryer on a low heat setting to stretch my hair to prepare for the Bantu knots. So I'm just going to take it out by section that I've already detangled. Apply one pump. And guys, you think every other product in this line smells good? The oil, this serum is the bomb.com. Like, it smells so freaking good. I must say, like, after blow drying my hair, this is the most moisturized my hair has ever felt after blow drying. Like, ever felt. So let's go ahead and create these beautiful Bantu knots. I promise you guys you're gonna love them. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the curl food, like a little bit, goes a long way. I'm gonna rub it into my hands and I'm gonna apply it onto my hair. Just like that. And paying attention to the ends. This stuff is so moisturizing, perfect for setting the style. Now I'm just gonna work that through just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. I'm gonna comb it through before I twist my knots. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I love doing Bantu knots for around the holidays. It is my favorite go-to natural hair look, and I'm obsessed with how this turned out. These products are simply amazing. I enjoyed the whole entire line. This look is just perfect for the holidays. And like I said, speaking of holidays, Black Friday is coming up, and TGIN wants you guys to be a part of that and enjoy some of these sales. So make sure you follow at TGIN Natural and me on Instagram at @just_DJ. I'm going to be having some things on my website pertaining to the TGIN. I will also have a coupon code from the company down in the description box of this video, as well as on my Instagram page. So make sure you guys go check that out. Save you some coins. I know it's the holidays, save you some money, and you can also start buying Christmas gifts for your friends and your family. Who doesn't love getting natural hair products for Christmas? I do. If you do, then this is perfect for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you go check out TGIN. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye. I'm obsessed. I'm about to go somewhere now, y'all.